beauty secrets that will solve your skin problems. At Brightside found some intriguing information provided by physicists that we happily share with you. 5 things you should stop doing with your skin right away. 1. Washing your face with soap. Soap dries your skin and deteriorates its protective layer if used regularly, which results in acne. You should also get rid of aggressive cleansers containing SLS, sodium Laureth Sulfate, choosing gentle foaming creams or cleansing lotions instead. 2. Using scrubs. Scrubbing damages your skin and makes it rough. While its effects are quite dubious, they are very short-lived and make you use scrubs more and more frequently. The most efficient skin peeling and complexion leveling aids are those containing acids. 3. Being overprotective of greasy and problem skin. The more you stress your skin, the worse it becomes. Pick some aids for your skin type, follow the basic rules, and you'll see the results. If you have some serious issues, like acne, better consult a good dermatologist and cosmetologist than begin self-treatment. 4. Getting a sun isn't good for your skin. Damage dealt by the sun accumulates, and it will eventually show itself in liver spots. That's why you should protect your skin from the sun all year long, especially your face. If you still want to boast bronze skin, use spray tan. 5. Turning your fridge into a vanity bag. Traditional cosmetics are all well and nice, but let's be honest, they can be obsolete. There is a difference between applying sour cream to your face and using a cream with lactic acid. Yes, vitamin C is good for your skin, but its potential effect is lost while you're trying to mix a pill into your cream. 4 daily steps to perfect your skin. 1. Cleansing. Pick any non-foamy cleanser such as milk, balm, or cleansing cream, or an aid that foams due to its properties and not upon interaction with water. Foams without SLS. If you wear makeup, first remove it with a special remover, micellar water, or hydrophilic oil, and then wash your face. 2. Toning. Gets better to use acidic toners that level the complexion and skin texture, cleanse the pores, and help make the following skincare easier. Look for salicylic acid in the contents, not one you can buy at a drugstore, though, because it's too concentrated. It's perfect for oily skin, as are AHA acids. 3. Moisturizing. Choose your cream depending on your skin type, but be aware that there is no magic solution for a beautiful tone. Cream is just a protective cover that will provide additional moisture, nourishment, and so on. If you need extra care, then purchase serums and apply them before the cream. 4. Sunscreen. These are twin sisters. One lives in the north of the USA and doesn't smoke, while the other lives in California and has been smoking for 16 years. Whether to use sunscreen or not is your choice, but take a look at this great article by the Daily Mail. It shows how cosmetics containing SPF protect the skin, and how sunscreen works. A few extra tips for skincare to fight dark spots. Use cosmetics containing salicylic acid or simple oils, for example, olive oil. Apply an ample amount of it to your nose and other affected areas, and rub it energetically for a sufficient time before washing it off. The dark spots will either be gone or at least become lighter. Congested skin issues are also solved by salicylic acid-based aids. The best antibacterial skincare is benzoyl peroxide, like Desquam, which is also great for excess greasiness. Antibiotics work well too, but bacteria will quickly grow resistant to them. Pitted acne scars and hyperpigmentation are best dealt with by acids and vitamin C. However, acids will not help you with deep scars left over from severe acne, so meet with your beautician and go to a beauty salon for peeling. One more important ingredient, aspirin can do wonders at healing irritated bikini line bumps. It contains salicylic acid that helps to exfoliate the top layer for skin and allows any trapped ingrown hairs to pierce through the skin. To create your aspirin paste, crush 3-4 uncoated pills and mix with water until paste forms. Apply it as a mask on your face and allow it to dry. Rinse thoroughly. You can also get rid of pimples with the help of this paste by leaving it on the problem areas for about 2 minutes and washing it off with soap and water.